Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. Now students, as you know that we have started our grammar section. So in that grammar section, the most important thing is formation of sentence. So this formation of sentence, it is useful for your question answer writing also and for the grammar section also. So the most important thing in the sentence formation, that is verb pattern. Okay, how we can use the different verb patterns for the formation of sentence, that we will see today. It means that today we are going to learn about the different verb patterns which we use for the formation of sentences. Now let me begin. Verb patterns. So there are many kinds of verb patterns. Today we will see first two kinds of verb pattern. So first pattern is subject plus verb. So this is the very simplest verb pattern. It means that in a sentence only two words are there. In a one sentence only two words are there. One word is for subject and one word is verb. That is the very simplest pattern of verb. Now this subject is followed by an intransitive verb which express the complete sentence without the help of any other word. It means that the verb we use in this first pattern, that verb is like that ki we will not need another kind of word. This verb we use in this sentence is useful or suitable for complete the sentence. Let's see example. Birds fly. Now in this sentence, birds is a subject. Yes, birds is a subject and fly is verb. So with the help of only two words, we can know about bird fly. Okay, now bird is flying. Okay, but we can know about only with two words. Birds fly. So this is the first pattern of verb, that is subject plus verb. So with the help of this pattern, you can make another sentences also. For example, she walks. This is the very simplest and easiest form of sentence. This is very simplest and easiest formation of sentence, or we can say the verb pattern, very simplest verb pattern. So more examples we can say like birds fly, then fire burns. In that sentence, fire is a subject and burns is a verb. So with the help of only two words, we can complete one complete sentence, and that is also a meaningful sentence. So that type of sentence we can say first pattern of verb, that is subject plus verb. Now more examples we can say like the moon is shining. The moon is shining. So in this sentence, the moon is a subject part and is shining is a verb part. Okay, is we can say what? Is preposition. Yes, is a preposition, but this preposition we can use before the verb, attached with the verb. Okay, so shining is a verb and moon. The moon is also a subject and the is also a preposition. The moon is shining. So subject plus verb, we can say the first pattern. Now let's see the second pattern, that is subject plus verb plus subject complement. Now the complement usually consists of noun, a pronoun or an adjective. Now let's see. This is given example of subject verb subject complement. Now in this second pattern, Subject, normally we know that subject we can say the noun or pronoun in the sentence, okay, and verb is a action word. Yes, we know about that. Then what is subject complement? Subject complement means the complement usually consists of noun, a pronoun or an adjective. Whichever the subject complement we will use in this type of sentence, that is depend on noun, pronoun, adjective in the given sentence. Let's see one more time. I will explain. Whatever the subject complement we will use in this second pattern, that subject complement is complementary word, or it is depend on the subject, or we can say the noun, pronoun or adjective in the given sentence. Okay, now let's see example. First, she gave a pen. She gave a pen. Now she is a subject, gave is a verb, so a pen is a subject complement. Okay, now this subject complement is related to a verb, or we can say the subject. Now this a pen is a subject complement is related to the subject she. What she gave? Yes, we can ask two sentence like what she gave? A pen. So a pen is a subject complement. Now one more example. Father grew angry. Father grew angry. Now father is a subject. Okay, father is a subject. Then grew is a verb and angry is a subject complement. Now this subject complement is related to the verb, that is grew. How does the father grew? Angry. Okay, so we can ask the question to the subject or the verb, and whatever the answer we will get, that is the subject complement. Now these first two verb patterns are easiest verb patterns. So with the help of these two patterns, we can make many more sentences. Okay, now one more time we will see. Verb patterns are useful for formation of sentences. Verb pattern we can use for formation of sentences, and with the help of verb pattern, with the help of learning verb pattern, you can make sentences. Okay, for the writing skill and for the question answer writing, otherwise for in the grammar section recognition of subject, which is the subject, we will make understand with the help of these patterns. So verb pattern is useful for your writing skill also, composition also, and for the grammar section also. Now let me again, I will explain pattern first, that is subject plus verb. It means that this type of sentence makes with only two words, but that words should be a subject and verb. With the help of that subject and verb, we can make many more useful as well as meaningful sentences. For example, birds fly, subject plus verb. She walks, subject plus verb. Then second pattern is subject plus verb plus subject complement. Okay, now in this second type of sentence or second type of verb pattern, we can make a meaningful sentence with the help of subject, verb plus subject complement. Now this subject complement is a complementary word, or it is related with subject or the noun or the pronoun or the adjective in the given sentence. So for example, she gave a pen. She gave a pen. So in this sentence, she is a subject, Gave is a verb and a pen is a subject complement. Then father grew angry. Father is a subject. Grew is a verb and angry is a subject complement. Now today we have learned first two patterns of verb. In the next video we will see another verb patterns. So till that time read this pattern and make many more sentences as you can with the help of these two patterns. Listen one more time. Make many more sentences as you can with the help of this first pattern and second pattern. Thank you.